Selamat datang di channel Atmanca Viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini. Dan seperti biasa, saya akan berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan. Amin. Welcome back guys, kita akan kembali lagi mengamati The Beautiful Song Putri Ariani. Dan kita akan terus mengamati perkembangan dari Putri Ariani yang sebentar lagi akan bertanding lebih jauh lagi menuju babak semifinal di acara America Got Talent. Dan kita harus berikan suara kita, dukungan kita untuk mendukung talent dari Indonesia ini guys. Nggak ada yang nggak mungkin. Semoga Putri menjadi juaranya nanti, dan kita harus berusaha untuk mendukung. Apapun hasilnya itu ketentuan yang di atas sudah. Oke, gitu aja ya. Dan kali ini ada reaktor atau seperti musisi ya guys. Sepertinya dia pengamat musik dan dia sepertinya paham dan memahami insting nada. Dan kali ini kita akan melihatnya. Jadi dia baru pertama kali melihat Putri Ariani. Dan tapi ada salah satu temannya yang pakai topi ini sangat-sangat paham talent dari Indonesia tentang Alibata, Cakrakan, dan banyak lagi. Wow, Indonesia sekarang mendunia guys. Oke, tanpa terlalu banyak cerita di depan, link video original ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita menonton videonya, let's go guys.
Syok Awalnya.
We're gonna follow up on him, by the way. Yeah,
we're gonna keep watching his stuff throughout this. But people were asking for this Putri Ariani.
Never heard it before.
Haven't heard of her. We've done tons of Indonesian talent.
Is she Indonesian?
I believe so.
Educate
I believe she's Indonesian.
Educate us, folks.
Correct us if we're wrong. We've done tons of people from Indonesia, guys.
Yeah, the whole Southeast Asia we tapped into, man. Philippines.
Guys, check out some of the singer videos. Go to the
South Korea.
The playlist.
Yeah.
There are singers around the world that are just fantastic, guys. You guys will never know about them unless you So Young, Morissette, and just Katrina Velarde, and just people all over the place. The Watching Yous and the Watching You and
the two Asian kids.
The other dude, man, that sings in the girl and guy voice. And the guy from Philippines that sings in the girl and guy voice. He was like the first one we watched. Dimash. But the guy in the girl and guy voice, damn, what was his name, man? You know what we talking about.
I see his face now. I see his face now. Yeah.
We appreciate you guys, man. Check out all the vids. Hit the like button here.
The dude with the voice that goes up and down.
He was on here before. That's the first time we ever saw him.
Okay.
And he made it a little bit, but then they ended up kicking him off.
Okay.
We'll think of the name. I'll put the name up there. Let's check it out, guys. Let's see. It says she got the golden buzzer. Let's see what it is. Let's see how good she is. Never heard of her before. Never heard her sing before.
And that's the beauty of our channel. What you guys recommend, man.
You guys are letting us know, guys. Hit the like button. Everybody from Indonesia, man, Tap, Corinne, all those, man.
You guys are real.
We appreciate the support.
You're real.
Subscribe if you're new. Check out our stuff. Chakra Khan and Elite and Deedon Gonzalez and all these other singers that we have.
Deedon Gonzalez.
That's your voice, dude. Who did It's a Man's World?
That's Chaka Khan. That was Chaka Khan. Yeah, Chaka Khan. Let's check it out, guys.
When I'm singing, I feel like superstar.
You know,
are you ready?
Yeah, I feel like
to be
deaf
is one thing.
To be blind.
To be blind, man. I don't know,
it's tough.
It's tough. I don't, particularly if you're born that way, okay, but to close your eyes forever.
I don't know. Right, I don't know if she's fully blind. Right, but partially blind. But to be fully blind,
I'd rather go
and
deaf.
not have a clue of what you look like, or people talking to me look like, or my kid, or this. Like, I'd rather go deaf.
How they function. So much respect and
any disability you have.
Yeah,
people that go through that, man, is crazy.
Yeah, man.
You're stronger than me.
People can't talk. Oh yeah,
you're stronger than me.
Yeah.
Without a doubt, you're stronger than me. You're a better person than me. I cannot.
Much respect, man. And that's just a gift. That's beautiful.
Good evening.
Hello.
Thank you for coming to AGT. What is your name?
My name is Putri Ariani.
Putri, is this your first time in America?
This is my very first time. I'm so excited. I love all the things in here.
Wow.
First thing.
But just off rip, her speaking voice versus the singing is just like, what?
Right
you
now,
know what I'm saying?
I hear Celine Dion. Wow.
Right.
Wow.
You could tell she can sing already, but just from the beginning, it's like, okay, wait. She's singing like that and she talks like that.
Right.
Like Michelet type.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
if you guys probably don't know who Michelet is, but YouTuber.
Yeah.
Her voice was like a chipmunk.
Yeah. Literally.
Worse, like way chipmunky than this.
Wasn't a gimmick.
It was like, and then when she sings, it's like the biggest voice ever, which is wild. Yeah, it's wild.
Wow.
In this love, promise we'll forever. Oh my God. You break my heart, break my heart so deep.
We'll go back a second, but
it's even though she's hitting the high notes, there's a softness to her.
No.
Yeah.
She reminds me of
She's good.
Not as good or not better or worse than, but it's so young. Like she's so soft when she sings.
Yeah, what a voice!
It sounds great, man.
She
Great
sounds
voice.
Really.
Simon, if you could connect with him sometimes, or
sometimes
make him feel sad or something like that,
you got it.
You got him.
You got it.
I saw somebody else before. A guy was singing.
Wow,
a song.
what a voice she has!
I'll show you the video, and he just started crying, and he was like, he walked off, and that shit hit him.
Yeah.
But she's killing it. But if you look at Simon, it's like it's hitting him.
Yeah, Celine Dion.
He's feeling like, but he's looking like he's about to get emotional over this. You know what I'm saying?
It's easy on your ears, man.
You guys from Indonesia?
Yeah.
Check out So Young.
Yeah.
And she's very similar to that.
Yeah.
She's a beast, man.
Yeah.
She's my all-time favorite singer that we've seen so far. So Young.
She's good.
She's from South Korea. Check her out, guys, after this. And tell me whether or not you see parallels or are they kind of like the same or whatever. But it's the same vibe. But look at Simon.
Oh, man. It's beautiful. Without screaming.
Oh, yes.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. She's nice. Oh, she's... Oh, man. She's incredible. He's going to sign her. He's going to sign her.
It's just got to be an awesome feeling, though, to be 17. You know what I'm saying? You go through all that.
She's got
whatever she's been through, or the disabilities and stuff, and you're on stage, and here comes Simon. Everybody knows who the hell Simon is. And he's on stage telling you, hey, sing another song for me. And this,
yeah.
That's got to be wild, man. A wild feeling.
That's great.
What I gotta do to make you love me?
She's playing the piano.
Yeah.
So we're skipping over that part.
Yeah.
We're just talking about the voice, but she can play the piano and sing. She's Alicia Keys vibe, like sings better than Alicia Keys. But,
she does.
But she's like.
What I gotta do to be heard? Sad, so sad. Why can't we talk and drop
Wow.
She hasn't messed up a note yet.
No.
She's been crystal
clear.
clear.
She doesn't break. Yeah.
Crystal clear, just enunciating everything perfectly, just everything, every note,
we gotta
everything's
follow
been
for
perfect.
this girl, man. We gotta follow a show more.
Wait, is she on the same show as Shaka Khan? They got two from Indonesia?
I don't know.
On there?
I don't know. This is what, 2 months ago? 2 weeks ago?
Was it? It was 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
So he got to be on the same show, no?
Yeah.
Damn, Indonesia taking over.
Sorry seems to be.
She's standing a cappella. She's got no music.
Kalau yang tadi Indonesia Muda Ali, guys.
All the man. We got to show more of this young lady.
We have to.
You guys replied telling us to and hit that like button.
We have to, man. She's from Indonesia, correct? Voice of an Angel. 2
months ago. Where is she now?
Yeah, from Indonesia.
Yeah. 1.7 million watched this. Let us know.
Yeah, they gave a thumbs up. 1.7 watched it.
Yeah.
The people that watched it was 48 million.
48 million. Holy. Okay.
2 months ago. That's Indonesia, man. Indonesia be supporting like no other. You guys support us.
Really?
So I can imagine how you support the original video.
This
Everybody
girl-
from Indonesia, man. Just everybody around the world. We appreciate you guys. But
My mouth
obviously,
is
she's
open.
from Indonesia,
My mouth
so
is
we gotta.
open. She
But
is
just
incredible.
thanks for supporting this channel, man. The people that we show and the Shaka Khans and her and the Elite went crazy. Deedon and all these people. Deedon, I think, is the one. Remember on the floor screaming
But
and
that's
the
the
record
cool
roast,
part of what
drinking
we,
the coffee and shit.
That's the cool part of what we do. We just got baptized.
We would've
A new
never-
artist. Yeah, no.
We would have never knew who this girl.
Yeah.
If it wasn't for you guys. So thanks for watching.
Wow.
Thanks for spamming that in the comment section on everywhere. Oh, you gotta watch Putri, gotta watch Putri, gotta watch Putri.
She is incredible.
She's great, man. Golly, like,
Yeah.
it's crazy.
My mouth was open. She wrote that first song.
Yeah, no, that was
thought
wild.
that-
That was wild.
That
I could have sworn I was just like, I'd never heard the song before,
right,
but I was
but
like, okay,
it's gotta be a
good
cover or
song.
something she's doing. Yeah.
Crazy. The talent around the world is crazy. Don't
Wow,
ever
wow.
think that all the talent is in Indonesia,
Don't, or
all the
US.
talent is US,
US.
all the talent is Philippines. It's not, man. There's talent everywhere around this world.
Oke guys, jadi segitu yang kita reaction dari pengamat musik kali ini. Dan memang wow, amazing, keren sekali. Dan kita harus support dan dukung Putri Ariani nantinya. Dan orang luar negeri juga kaget guys, bahwa wah, Indonesia banyak sekali yang mendukung Putri Ariani ya. Wah, Indonesia banyak sekali. Dari Indonesia banyak sekali yang mendukung Putri Ariani. Wow, sampai berapa juta like gitu. Wah, memang ini amazing guys. Dan nggak bisa diragukan lagi, pendukung Putri Ariani dari Indonesia memang sangat banyak sekali. Dan memang wow, keren. Kalian keren semua guys. Kita dukung terus, kita support terus. Apalagi nanti bulan depan Putri Ariani sudah mengikuti babak semifinal atau babak pertandingan yang sangat mendebarkan juga guys. Dan kita harus support dan kita harus dukung. Dan buat Putri Ariani harus semangat terus, berlatih terus. Apalagi ini sudah nggak babak main-main, karena ini menjadi lebih serius lagi nanti ke depannya. Dan kita dari Indonesia harus menyupport dan kita harus mendukung the beautiful song kita, yaitu Putri Ariani guys. Oke. Dan apa tanggapan kalian? Kalau kalian punya tanggapan, kalian boleh tulis di kolom komentar. Kita juga bisa berdiskusi di situ. Dan mungkin sekian video kali ini. Dan mungkin jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys.